Hey, ladies and gentlemen, good Thursday afternoon and welcome to a market sit rep or situation report here at TOPGUN Options. I'm Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and folks, I am absolutely blown away. That doesn't happen too often. I am blown away by the inflation numbers this morning. But before we get into that, folks, did you not join me for our solo Amazon brief, our free solo Amazon brief Monday morning? What did we cover in our solo Amazon brief Monday morning? We put on a tactic right here called a bullish double vertical. Okay. Monday morning, and I'll show you the trades right now. We put on a bull call spread. And then Tuesday, well, let me just go show you. Men lie, trades don't. Here is our bull call spread. Monday morning, the 185, 187.5 bull call spread for, what was that, about 60 cents, 61 cents, okay? Then Tuesday morning, in the primary live trade brief, we legged into what's called a bullish double vertical. I put on a basement. I put on a floor underneath Amazon, the 180, 177.5 bull put spread. This is called a credit spread. We got paid to do this trade, which helped finance this bull call spread. We did this Monday and Tuesday morning. What happened since we put on this trade? Amazon, as I expected, had a rip your face off rally. Look at that. And what did I tell my members this morning? I posted right in the Max Afterburner group and the Hunters. Let's go look at it in the trade alerts thread right here. Amazon up pre-market. I closed the weekly bullish double vertical for a nice profit in case it fades on the hot inflation numbers we got. What happened? Look at that. Amazon popped up and then faded. So folks, if you closed, like I said, look at this. The bull call spread was up as high as $1.35 at one point this morning. You doubled your money, over doubled your money. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, the trades that I covered Monday morning in solo Amazon, which was a free brief, and Tuesday in the primary live trade brief. And since I'm such a nice guy, what did I do? Tuesday morning, when I legged into this double vertical, I sent out an email alert to the solo Amazon members. Even though they're not in the full throttle program, I said, you know what? I'm going to hook them up this week. So you're welcome. With one trade alone, you paid for an annual membership. With both Amazon trades that I covered on Monday and Tuesday, you could have paid for a full throttle annual membership. You're welcome, folks. I can hear the golf clap through the through my headphones right now from you. Much appreciated, folks. Absolutely epic trading this week. Solo Amazon brief was free on Monday, folks. I opened it up to the public. Why? To debrief the insanely stupid blowout jobs numbers on Friday. Did you see the non-farm payroll numbers on Friday? They were obscene. They were an absolute lie right in front of the election. Okay, so knocked out that brief Monday morning. And then what did I tell you was going to happen this week with CPI? I said I would be absolutely stunned, blown away. I said it's going to come in so cool, like a cucumber, man. It's going to be freezing. It's going to be ice. There's no way they're going to report that inflation is either in line or went up a little bit. I could not have been more wrong. But what did I tell you? I said there is a probability, a 0.017 zeros and a 1 decimal places probability that they report hotter than expected inflation. Wow. So the year over year, right? So it quote cooled in September. So this was a little bit of porridge, right? Inflation cooled in September. I don't care about month to month, baby. I care about year over year. CPI went up. I am absolutely blown away, ladies and gentlemen. Unbelievable. Looking at this chart, I expected that the Biden, look at this, inflation was going to slide into the election. Now, why am I raging about this? Because it's a lie. I guarantee you, weeks in front of the election, them reporting a hotter than expected inflation number means it's raging. This is all bullshit. Look at this, folks. I mean, love or hate Donald Trump. Let's open up the radar range here. Look at inflation under Donald Trump. We peaked at about 2.5. Look at this, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Boom. Now, of course, Kamala and Joe and Sideshow Bob, the press secretary, would tell you what? Oh, this was the Putin price hike. What are you talking about? Oh, no. We mean COVID. What? Or no. This was supply chain issues. It was everything but a couple $1 trillion infrastructure bill. It was everything but the couple $1 trillion, quote, Inflation Reduction Act, folks. And then there was some other obscene spending in here. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. And then they look you in the eyes and tell you that they deserve credit for bringing it down. They had nothing to do with inflation exploding and everything to do with bringing it down. But ladies and gentlemen, look at this. As we got closer to the election, I predicted this was going to happen. Look, inflation sticky, but no. It's everything's great going into the election. The fact that they reported hotter than expected inflation this morning is stunning to me, which tells me it's even worse. So, folks, Donald Trump is not going to win the election, unfortunately. I know it makes some of you fall out of your chair. My prediction is the same as it was in 2020. He will win on election night and he will lose over the following days. That's exactly what I said in 2020, and this is exactly what's going to happen again. But here's and let me hedge. If he does win, I guarantee you December, January, all the macroeconomic data numbers are going to flop and it's going to be a horror. Jobs are going to suck. Inflation's going to be raging. I guarantee it. Okay, so trade the market you have, not the one you want. But folks, the market we have is extremely tactical right now. We've been trading bearish double verticals as the market implodes, bullish double verticals as the market goes up. And then in the shop here, we've actually been doing some sideways trades as well. Those tactics are called iron condors. You got to join Solo Amazon, folks. You should have joined Monday. Gave you a free brief on Monday and that trade made double its money, made over 100%. And then Tuesday, I still sent out a Solo Amazon trade, even though we covered it in a different brief because I care. And you made over 250% on 2 trades on Amazon this week. Check it out, folks. It's $97 a month. If that's your last $97, don't do it. That's not even a good bottle of wine. For $97 a month, head to TOPGUNOptions.com/solo-Amazon. You can just go to our main website, folks. Let me move this thing out of the way. Just go to our main website and underneath trade groups on the drop down, you just click Solo Amazon. It ain't that hard. Okay, $97 a month. When you join, I give you 3 manuals, folks. 3 manuals that if you try to buy them individually through TOPGUN Options, they're $197. So let me do the political science math for you. You just made $100, okay? I strongly recommend if you're going to join Solo Amazon, do the annual. You get 2 months free. Right there, do the annual. But if you want to kick the tires for a couple months, it's $97 a month. Never pops up randomly like, oh my God, now it's $8 million a month. We don't do that, folks. It's $97 a month for the rest of your life. Unless you grow a brain and you say, you know what, that's dumb. Why don't I get a discount by doing the annual? Again, men lie, trades don't. This is when I said, hey, I'd close this trade. Look at this, Dennis. Already closed it. Thanks for the lunch money. You're welcome, man. That's what I love doing here. So, showed you that we did these trades live. This is the power of TOPGUN Options, and we are having an absolute blast. We're having a blast trading this market going into the election, and man, it's going to be crazy after the election. Do we sell the news, right? We had this rip your face off rally going into the election. Do we sell the news and pull back? What does Jerome Powell do now, folks? What are you doing, Jerome? We had blowout jobs numbers on Friday, allegedly, and inflation went up. Blowout jobs numbers and inflation going up to me means the dude should be raising rates. But of course, this market is full of crack addicts, which demand more crack. This is going to be interesting, folks. If you can't tell, I'm very passionate about what I do here at TOPGUN Options. I'd be doing this on my own and printing money, just sitting here by myself in my bunny slippers with my cup of coffee. But I do it because I love being a flight instructor. I love putting the ladder down to help people potentially profit in these type of markets. Again, go to our website, TOPGUNOptions.com/solo-Amazon, $97 a month. You should have joined on Monday, folks. You would have gotten the extra trade on Tuesday. Okay, I got to go. Thanks for all the wishes. We only got wind and rain down here in God's waiting room, Boca Raton. God bless the folks on the west coast of Florida, through Orlando, up through Daytona Beach. Let's all do what we can, man. I'm a thoughts and prayers guy because I know those things actually work. Unlike some people in this country who will make fun of me for saying that. I got thoughts and prayers for you. Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you're hedged, which we are. Fights on. Namaste and basi basi. Wiz out.